All right, what's up? What's up, y'all? We'll wait probably like 2 more minutes and then we'll get it started. I had a great weekend. Well, that's it, yeah. We'll get started in like another minute. All right, give it like 30 seconds and we'll dive on that. So this week, we'll be doing things a little bit different. Um, so I'm going to be focusing on gold a little bit more this week, just in general. Got a little personal thing I got going on with gold. So I'm going to be focusing on gold pretty heavily over the next at least 30 days, seeing what I can do with gold. So I'm gonna give y'all some insight on that. We're gonna go over a few pairs that I already have on my radar, which is gonna be AU. We'll go over the DXY. We have odd NZD, which I'm gonna look for an opportunity there. And then yeah, that's it. Just gold, AU, DXY, odd NZD. I'm gonna try to look for y'all another extra. NZ CAD is just kind of something I was just looking at from the side, but I'm gonna try to look for y'all something else. So let me finish skimming through these real quick to see what I can see. I haven't really touched any yen pairs in a while, so it'll be interesting to see what a few yen pairs are doing. It's like I can see a potential reversal, but I just don't know how far and how deep, and I kind of don't want to be looking at too many sales right now because we can see it's clearly bullish. So I probably have to skip over that one. Don't feel like dealing with that. No, that's gonna be choppy. Let's see. We might have something here. This high is going to be taken. We might have something here. From the daily, this is pretty much the low. We should not break that below. Give me 1 second, y'all. Okay. So the target is here. This low should not be broken. I'm not gonna lie, as of right now, the momentum on price is kind of stiff. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to even come back to this low. I would prefer for price to come back to this low and then go up. Maybe it depends on if we respect right now. If we respect right now, we might be able to get something like this, which will be a little bit better for me to want to take this trade. If we get that, then that'll be pretty solid for us. Let's see. So if we can get this, then this would be a nice setup. So yeah, watch for a sweep of this level, and then you'll be looking at something like this. There you go. So that's pretty much what you'd be looking for on EuroCAD if we're able to get that. The true stop loss on this will pretty much be like this. It'll probably be around here, which honestly I don't even have to make a damn one. I can put it right here, so around 48 pips. So not bad. Something y'all can watch for there. Let's see. On NZD, so we're going to do the extras first. Let's see. So on this one, I'm seeing a shift in structure. So from the downside, I'm seeing this temporary shift back up. And how far up? Let's see. I do like this, and it looks very impulsive if we can get it. If we can get it, first stop I would say is going to be here. Second stop is going to be here, and then that's going to be the 3 stops that we need to achieve in order to, of course, break into this range. If we break this one, we'll more than likely lead here. So we can actually take this off. And we can actually zone this. And if we look left, we actually have an order block right here as well. Okay, so what I'm seeing and what I'd like to see is something like this and then another push up. So Hopefully this is not ABC. No, it's not good. Okay. Because this low is took this low, so it's good. Okay. So then we have a pure double bottom right here. I'm going to take the measurement from the smallest shoulder, clone that. So we're looking for price action to lead into our zone here to actually take this high. So, and we're only going to target 75%, which most of y'all know, which will pretty much be this high right around this liquidity range. So it'll be that liquidity sweep. So our general target is going to be basically this range. And we are going to break this down a little bit lower to see exactly where we're going to enter this. So this is our last significant higher low. Sorry, higher high. Here. So we have boom, 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 boom. So when we're going like on a little bit more significant, obviously these are going to be the first four keys. So now we're going to be looking for somewhere either around here or around here. So that's what we have to find now. So let me update this real quick. Cool. There we go. This is where we will buy it. Let me confirm this real quick. Yeah, okay, so that's where we're gonna buy it at. Let me double check. Try to grab all these influences real quick. So in this case, we have to drop 2 fibs. Okay. My bad, y'all. One second. Okay. Where we at? All right. Secondary drop of the fib. So now let's look at our confluence, see where we're at. So secondary drop, we're looking at the 61.8, just slightly below. And we have the 50 dead smack in the zone. On the larger scale Fibonacci, we have the 38.2 aligning pretty much right. That was ugly. Pretty much right in the zone. So it looks like the confluence is like if y'all see there's 2 aligned right here within the zone. So all of the confluence is actually within the zone. So that's good. So we'll be buying it from here with our stop loss around here. Depending on how deep it is, we might have to change that up. We'll see. So far, it doesn't look too bad. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. So stop loss is going to go in this low. So pretty much should not break this higher low. And it should continue with a new higher low here. And then a continuation up. It should be pretty solid this week. It should be pretty solid. And we are looking to break this top. So let me, because I need this to be a 3-1. So boom, we're gonna bring this up just a little bit so we can make this a 3-1. Cool. And yep, all right, cool. So that's where we'll target everything on this one. Again, we'll just stay mindful of that 70%, 75% start mark, which is here. So potential profit taking might need to be done here instead of a little bit deeper, but overall we're going for a sweep of this high. So even still, this is actually before the sweep of the high, so we should be solid. Cool. So that's odd NZD. NZD So we had a opportunity on this one from this range last week, pushing up. Pretty much most of the CAD period is pushing up. I was just looking at this one because it's not done to me yet. So if it is going to fall, it needs to at least achieve this level, or maybe breaking this high and then dropping. Or we could go long term on a pushback up. So we have this big corrective structure, and kind of just broken out of it a little bit. So what I am looking for is potentially just a push up, maybe here, maybe a retest and then a continuation up, or a push up and then a just complete fall back down. So a little bit kind of different right now, a little choppy, so we probably have to leave that one alone. Just something I was looking at on the side. I'm not going to really focus on it though. So DXY. So this update I gave out last week. So I was looking at pretty much a reversal either here for a continuation down or a reversal here. So we got it at the first area and we started to drop down. Looks pretty good. So the thing about the DXY this week is going to be pretty interesting. So either we're going to put it a little left so I can see, bring the time frame up. So either we're going to go into this range and pop back up. So either we're going to go like right around here and then pop back up, and then maybe a deeper fall, or we're going to pop back up and just continue like towards the upside. So we could literally just continue to fly, right? So either or, um, the pop back up is the potential, or we just continue to melt all the way down into 102 range. So one of these could happen. I would say the area that you really want to key in on is going to be, update this, refine everything. And then we have this supply right here. I'm sorry. Okay. So this full range could be a potential reversal. So we have to watch this whole area because we could get the push back up. For now, I do think we're going to extend a little bit further down, and I'll show y'all in correlation with some of the dollar pairs that I am looking at. So let's see. So AU, I do want to see price action break this high, right? Now, once we break this high, we could double top and then drop. So that's definitely possible. If so, once we break this high, so that small correction and the continuation up. So that'll be the dollar basically opening and then doing something like this with the continuation down into this zone, right? So then we would potentially see odd USD correction and the continuation up into this range. So if we are to reverse back towards the upside, then you'll see that double bottom, I'm sorry, that double top really kind of play out in this range, potentially when we sweep this level. Right? So if the dollar is to continue down impulsively into 102, then we'll pretty much see our USD continue up, and then we'll break this high very impulsively. So this area is how we break it. So we should break this very impulsively with a decent sized bullish candle to kind of give that confirmation. Then we'll look for a retracement out of this zone back down, and then we can look for a continuation back up. So that's AU. So gold. I'll say gold towards the end for y'all. I am going to go over one more dollar pair, which is going to be probably GU. Um, yeah, so out of all of these, EuroCAD is the extra. So I don't want y'all to put too much focus on that one. It's definitely solid, but it's the extra. I just want y'all to be mindful of that. So we'll go with GU next. So gold, basically what I'm gonna be doing on gold for the premium members is I'm basically going to be trading gold daily, right? And I'm going to be giving them out gold trades daily at a certain time each day. And we're going to be taking gold trades at that time every day. So that'll be over the next 30 days, which I'll be working with all of the premium members. Also, if you're not a premium member, we will be having a Black Friday sale this week starting, I would say, I think we're going to start it Tuesday. So Tuesday through Friday, the monthly service is going to be at a discount. All the services will be at discount. You can find more information to that in the free Telegram chat room, which that information is down below. If you guys are new to following us, if you scroll down on your screen, you'll see the link to our website, our free Telegram chat room community, our email, as well as the broker that I use. I know a lot of y'all are having issues these days with brokers that are unregulated. I know a lot of them are getting removed from MT4. So that's kind of a thing. So if y'all are looking for a good regulated broker, that information is down below. They're pretty solid and they cover a lot of different pairs. They have a lot of cryptos, just a wide range of pairs for y'all to be able to trade. So check them out. They're down below. Our YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook information is all down below as well. So for the students, I'll be giving out these gold trades pretty much Monday through Friday morning. So y'all can look forward to that. So starting off, what we'll be doing is tomorrow is when we'll be entering this gold trade. So for now, we'll be chilling out and just kind of letting it do its thing. It has already triggered us in from last week, literally. So we're already in and we're probably up a few. What are we at? I actually personally closed it right before the market closed. So we're up like 12 pips. So I'm going to let the team know to go ahead and TP because we're going to probably, and they can really hold this, but I'd rather than TP because we're going to focus on time-based strategy based on gold. So I'm going to be putting together a time-based strategy specifically for gold only. So um, y'all can look forward to that. But for now, we are looking for more upside on gold. This setup right here is 100% solid. I'm just going to be looking for us a better entry at a specific time. So that is to come on gold for this week. But as of now, I'm looking for one more push up, and then we could see a decline once we sweep this high. But for now, one more push up. So GU, this one is going to go hand in hand with the dollar. Um, 1 second. Okay, cool. So with this one here, what I'm looking for basically is we might end up getting a drop just because of how the structure looks. There's two things that I can see happening here. We took a little small buy on GU towards the end of last week. That one went really good for us. So pretty nice on that. Cheers. I think Friday we took two trades. We took gold. We took a gold trade, and I think we took a GU trade. If I'm not mistaken, I can't even keep up with everything these days, y'all. So I'm looking for either two things to happen right now. And actually, no longer two, just one. I was going to say ABC, but because of the B broke this leg, it's no longer ABC, so it's just a plain I double bottom, um, which is good. So that gives me the confirmation for option two, which is to break this high and then look for a drop. So since I don't see anything going to be too corrective here, and it should not actually, it should break this high before it breaks this low. If that makes sense for y'all. So with that being said, y'all can look for like small corrections and then a continuation of at least to take the high. Um, and that's similar to a small correction up to at least take the high. So grab this measurement. It's probably gonna be a pretty solid trend for y'all. Cool. And 75% pretty much leaves us at the high. Cool. So I see GU and I'm gonna break it down on a lower time frame so I can give y'all the actual trade that y'all can take on a lower time frame. So for GU, we do have an area of interest here. Our final target is going to be here. First area is going to be here. This is too low. It's possible, but it's too low. really wouldn't want to see price dip that far down. Yeah, that's actually breaking the double. That would change the double bottom structure. That would break the double bottom. So we can't go with that. Um, it has to respect this low right here. So this higher low has to respect this. So we're looking for basically the deepest retracement would be here. So you're looking at something like this to here, or you're looking at something like this to here. Cool. So this clearly looks a lot more. As of right now, it looks a lot more likely to happen. The first zone, if you do trade this, which is definitely a good opportunity, um, you'll be looking at something like this, and I would give it a stop loss of this. That way you can hold everything. This is probably gonna be like a 2 to 1 though, but it should be pretty solid. As long as it doesn't break this low, then it will lead into the actual double bottom. But our stop loss should be pretty good. Yeah, let's do it there. That should be pretty good because this is that low. So this would lead into that low. If it does break this low, it would then shift the trend into a lower low and then a lower high and then potentially another low. So it would change the shift of trend. So, and truly, we need to actually take this high before we take this low based off of this inner structure. We're also trading with the trend as well, so you can see it's currently within a bullish state. So it would be us just simply trading with what's currently going on. So we're in the right direction all the way through on this one. So something solid for y'all. So that's all I have for y'all, man. I just want to hop on, give y'all these chart updates. For all of the premium members, y'all look forward to the gold analysis. I am going to drop gold on TradingView as well. So make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way y'all don't miss out on any setups or any streams that I post out for the community. I'll drop, um, I'll probably drop GU and AU on TradingView for y'all. Um, I'm going to take this off because I don't want y'all to get ahead of yourselves. So as of right now, AU, we're just going to be looking for this move towards the upside. So I'll post these for y'all on TradingView as well so that y'all can follow along and potentially make some money with the team as well. Cool. So again, make sure y'all are following us on the free Telegram chat room. The link is down below. That's where I'll post some of these updates as well. That's all I have for y'all, man. Y'all have a great trading week, and I will see you all on the next stream. Peace.